In just 90 days, I went from 0 to 10,000 per month by learning this new skill and starting freelancing. It's not like dropshipping where I'd have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on Facebook ads, TikTok ads, just for someone to see my offer. It's actually so easy that all you have to do is post content and you will get inbound leads begging to work with you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick a skill that's made me over $100,000 this year. First up is picking your skill, and this can be the most challenging thing, but let's simplify it. I want you to look at what you do in your day job. Is there anything that's sellable? Is the company selling your service to someone else? If so, you can use that skill and sell it for yourself and your own income. If you work, say, something like construction like I did, or engineering, something like that, it's harder to sell online. So the simplest skill you could learn, which is what I did, was landing pages and copywriting. It's so easy that you can learn it in a couple of weeks. From there are 4 key components to achieve the results that I did in the past year. Number 1, I mentioned it already, and it's planning your content. Number 2 is DM setting, being able to set calls in the DM. Number 3, it's handling sales calls, and you need to be able to be confident in this, be confident in your approach, and actually sell people when you are on that call with them, and even better, take the payment on that call. Number 4, once you've got your payment, it's time to tackle fulfillment. Now you have to do a good job and provide a good service for them to keep coming back, for you to get testimonials and referrals and actually keep growing the business. The first thing I did was make a content planner that I could stick to, and you have to pick a social media platform of your choice. For me, it was Twitter. It was the easiest one to do, and I've actually gained 32,000 followers in just 1 year. On Twitter, there's so many different ways that you can post, but let me give you the 3 main ones that helped me gain my success and all my followers. First up is regular tweets. You want to give people actionable, short tips. Look up 100 copywriting tips. Look up 100 landing page tips. These can be 20 different tweets, okay? It's simple as that. Every single day, post one of these. Next up is writing threads, and these are basically fully blown guides, but you can use ChatGPT and AI to expand it for you. Now, pick one of those tips. Let's say it's write high-performing headlines, or how to write high-performing headlines that grab attention. Let's tell ChatGPT to literally write a thread on that, and it spits out your thread. That's as easy as it is. It'll spit out pages on pages of information, and you can just go copy paste that and put it on Twitter. People will be impressed and they'll be shocked with your knowledge. Next up are auto DM giveaways, and these are where you grow 1,000 followers overnight. I even got 4,000 comments plus on one before, and it gained me about 4,000 followers overnight. All you do is you say you've created a document, which you actually have. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. It can just be a couple of threads put together, and tell people to like and comment and follow you, and you'll DM them the document. There's a software called Hypefury where it'll just send them an auto DM when they comment, so you don't even have to do work. You just sit back and watch the followers come in. Once I discovered this tweet format, I created that content planner and I put it in my calendar to follow. After posting all these types of tweets for a couple of weeks, I was basically getting so much traction. I got 1,000 followers in 15 days. A week later, I had another 1,000 followers. Within 3 weeks, I had amassed 2,000 followers. Now, I needed to start commenting on my ideal customers' posts. So this way, they could see me. They could see now I was an authority. I had thousands of followers, and they could come to me, reach out, and purchase my service, which was landing pages. On day 22, I got my first inbound DM asking about my landing page services. After some back and forth conversation, I eventually got them to book a call through Calendly. I took these sales calls using my script. The call went super well. It was actually a fitness coach looking for a new landing page, and I sold him on it for about $800. From there, I doubled down on posting content and started just gaining so much more traction inside my niche. I got to about 4,000 or 5,000 followers in about 90 days, and I was just getting so many booked calls. I was actually overwhelmed with how much work there was. All I had to do was rinse and repeat, get a testimonial, post about it. get a testimonial, post about it. Since I was signing so many clients, I made a sweet automated onboarding flow using Google Forms and Zapier. Basically, when someone made a payment, they would automatically receive an email with an onboarding form. This just contained key information that they needed to supply me with for me to be able to fulfill and create that landing page for them. It automatically created a shared Google Drive folder where they could dump any media assets they wanted, any copywriting they had, or any branding that they needed on the page in there. And from there I could just work away. It was so smooth that so many clients actually commented on it, and I got so many referrals because of it. They really didn't have to do much at all, and I got paid. They got their service super quick. It just saved me a bunch of time when taking on new clients. By day 60, I just collected over $3,000 in the month, and this was more than my 9-to-5 telecommunications engineer job. It was honestly such an achievement, I could not believe it. Shortly after that, I scaled hard, and within 90 days I'd done a 10k month. This was more than enough for me to take that leap, quit my 9-to-5 and just go full-time freelancing. And trust me, when I say you go full-time, you can scale it hard. You can double or triple that figure really quick, like I did myself. Now, I actually created a step-by-step guide on how to make your first 10k per month with freelancing. This exact strategy has helped tons of other people achieve that 10k plus per month with freelancing. Just be sure to check this out in the description below, and to support me guys, I'd appreciate it if you just liked and subscribed and turn the notification bell on for more.